this expression you can get many solution or infinite solution. Okay, but whatever the solutions you are getting, it should satisfy that equation. Okay, it should satisfy that equation, and only then that particular solution or that particular value for that variable, it will be correct. So here example, that is x plus y equals to 14. So you can take any values. Okay, you can take any values, but when you are taking the values, there is an order or there is an order pair how you write the values for the x and y. Okay, that we will see. See here, whatever the values you are getting, students, now it was what, x plus y plus equals to 14. Okay, x plus y equals to 14. So this values, when you write in the order pair, whatever the value for the x, it should be written first. Okay, so it is what, x plus y equals to 14. So if I'll take 7 plus 7, value for the x as 7 and y as a 7. So whatever the value you are taking for the x, it should be written first, and the value for the variable y, it should be written afterwards. Okay, if you'll say that it is 9 and 5, 9 and 5. So when you write in this round bracket, it means that the value, the first value, it indicates for the x, and the second value, it indicates for the y. So always when you are writing the order pair, for the values of the variable, it should be x first and then it should be y. Okay, this is important when you are writing the value in the order pair. 7 plus 7, here both the values are same, but in case 9 and 5, so then it should be carefully written in the order pair. Okay, next example, that is find two numbers such that the difference is what, difference is 14. Now difference means what, minus. Okay, so two values of x and y you have to take in such a way that the difference, it should be what, difference should be 2. Okay, difference should be what, 2. That is x minus y equals to 2. So I can take it x for 5, y as 3. So 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Okay, then 8 minus 6, it can be 2. So here also for this equation, there are n number of solution, n number of values for this variable x and y. But the thing is that how you write that values in the correct order pair. In the correct order pair, that is more important. Okay, so whenever you are writing the values for the variable in the order pair, first if you are taking x and y, so first it will be always x and then it will be y. So here is the explanation that values for x is equal to 10 and y equals to 10, then the order pair, it should be 10 comma 8. You cannot write 8 comma 10. Okay, you cannot write what, 8 comma 10. Now why you cannot write 8 comma 10? Because if I take the value for the x as 10, sorry, 8 minus 10, what you will get, it will be minus 2. It will be what, minus 2. And in your equation on the right hand side, it is what, 2. Okay, so it is very, very important, students, that to write the value of the variable in the order pair. Now some equations will be given, x plus y equals to 5. So you have infinite solution for this. You can take positive numbers, you can take negative numbers, but important is what, to writing in the order pair. First always it should be x, then it should be y. Okay. See here. These two equations were there, x plus y equals to 14 and x minus y equals to 2. So solution for this equation, these are the solution. Different infinite solutions will be there. Solution for the equation here also infinite solutions are given. Now, if you will compare these two, if you will compare the infinite solution of equation 1 and equation 2, okay, one solution you will find which is common in both the equation. One solution which is common in both the equation, and that particular solution, it is a unique solution. It is what? Unique. Unique means what? It is one and only one. One and only one solution. It is a unique common solution of both the equation. Of both the equation. Now, if in exam, if you'll get two equation and if you are writing the n number of solution, no doubt that it is an open-ended question, so all the answers will be correct. But there should be a uniqueness for the answer. There should be a uniqueness for the answer, and to maintain that uniqueness, that is to maintain or to get that unique solution, we need to solve the linear equation simultaneously. Okay, we need to solve that linear equation simultaneously. Simultaneously means what? Both the equation you will solve together so that you will get the values for x and y. Okay, to get the values for x and y. So that particular equation, when we consider two linear equation in two variables, okay, two linear equation in two variables simultaneously. Simultaneously means what? Together, ek saath, okay, and we get a unique common solution, then such set of equation is known as simultaneous equation. This is very, very important, students, because you may get another answer, your friend may get another answer. No doubt both the answers will be correct, but to maintain the uniqueness or to get the unique common solution, there should be a unique solution for both the equation. And how you will get that unique solution? If you will solve the linear equation, whatever the linear equations are given, if you will solve that equation together, that is simultaneously, only then you, your friend, your another friend, whatever, whoever solving that equation, all of you will get the same answer. Okay, will get what? Same answer. And to solving that particular method, it is called as what? Simultaneous equation. It is called as what? Simultaneous equation. Okay, simultaneous means what? Together, solving the two equation together simultaneously. So this is important because henceforth whatever we are solving the equation, it will be a simultaneous equation, and your question will look like this only: solve the following simultaneous equation. So two equations will be given, and that two equation you need to solve it simultaneously by different methods. Methods also we will discuss. Okay, so I hope that the meaning of the simultaneous equation is clear, and why we are using this simultaneous equation, because we want to get a unique common solution for the linear equation. Now, in your practice set 5.1, because simultaneous equation we have just introduced, we have not taken any example. Okay, so first what we have taken the example, that we will do first, and then we will move for the simultaneous equation. So practice set 5.1, by using variable x and y, form any phi linear equation. Any phi linear equation into variables. Now this is an open-ended question. Open-ended means what? Everyone will get different answer and all the answer will be correct unless and until it satisfies the condition which is given in the question. So you have to take variable x and y, means your equation should consist of variable only and only x and y. If it is not mentioned, you can take any variable. But since it is mentioned x and y, that means you have to take only x and y. So using the variable x and y, form any 5 linear equation, any 5, okay, in 2 variable. So you can take any number, positive number, negative number, fraction, anything you can take. It's up to your choice, but variable it should be x and y. So some examples I have written: 2x minus 5y is equal to 1, 2x plus y equals to 5. I can write minus 2x plus 7y equals to minus 8, anything, okay? But the condition is what? Only y, x and y should be the variable, and it should be in this general form only. General form we have discussed: ax plus by plus c equals to 0. That means what? Ax plus by equals to c. C is the constant, and whatever the last term here you can see, they all what? They are all what? Constant terms. Okay. So x plus y equals to 40, 2x minus 7y equals to 7, 10x plus 15y equals to 105. Any number, any positive number, any negative number you can take, but the variable should be x and y. Okay. Now next, write the 5 solution of the equation. Now just now we have seen this 5 solution. X plus y equals to 7. That means you have to write any 5 solution for the variable x and y such that it should be 7. It should be what? 7. So 10 plus minus 3. See here, I am doing the substitution. 10 is the value for the x and minus 3 is the value for the y. So 10 plus into minus 3 equals to 7. So 10 minus 3 equals to 7 equals to 7. So any 5 solution you have to write. You can take 1 and 6. Okay. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 15 plus of minus 8, that is 15 minus 8, it will be 7. 2 plus 5, it will be 7. 4 plus 3 equals to 7. That means any positive number, any negative number, but the answer should be what? 7. Okay. So here also this is an open-ended question. Only thing is that you should take the solution in such a way that it should satisfy the equation. Okay. Now here is another one different type of question. You will not see in your textbook, because it may what you have learned today, that is, which of the following is not a linear equation, is not a linear equation. And this question, it is based on the general form. It is based on the general form. What is the general form? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form or the standard form. So here 4 options are given: x plus y equals to 3, x minus 2y equals to 3, x minus 7 equals to y, xy equals to 3. Now here this is a linear equation in 2 variable. X and y are there. Degree is 1. So it is a linear equation. This is also a linear equation in 2 variable. Now this equation, if I will arrange in the standard form, that is x plus y it will be minus y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. Now if you see carefully the 4th option, xy equals to 3. Your degree here is 1, here also degree is 1. But between these 2 variables, there is no plus or no minus sign, subtraction sign is there. No sign is there means what? It is multiplied. That is x multiplied by y. And here the powers, when we multiplied in the indices, it becomes what? Plus. That is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. In indices we have studied. So here the power will become what? 2. The power will become what? 2. The highest degree will become 2. And 2 is not a highest degree for the linear equation. For the linear equation, the highest degree is 1. Okay. So this option will be the correct answer, which is not a linear equation. Okay. I hope that this question is clear. You can take the screenshot and you can note down in your book. Next example, that is, which of the following represents the general form of the linear equation? Now again, general form of the linear equation. Here it is given the equation y equals to 5x minus 7. So if you will arrange this, always the x should be first. Okay. So 5x minus 5x plus y equal to minus 7. Equal to minus 7. Now since here it is minus sign, if I will multiply throughout by minus sign this equation, it will become 5x minus y equal to 7. So 7, if I'll bring it over here, it will become what? Minus 7. So 5x minus y minus 7 equals to 0. So here equation is given. Here you can see the order of the equation is not in the general form. So first convert it into the general form. So for converting into the general form, first it should be x, then it should be y, and then the constant equals to 0. When you are converting, you have to take along with the sign. So here from this option, you can see that the option A is the correct option. That is the 5x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is not the correct option because y is the first, and in general form x should be the first. X is the first. Here also 5x minus y, when it will go that side, it will be minus. So here this is also the wrong one. Again, this is also the incorrect one. That is 5x plus y equals to minus 7, because when you will multiply and minus sign, it will become plus, and when it will come on the left hand side, it will become minus 7 equals to 0. So whenever the question comes that represent any given equation in the general form, see that first you put it equal to 0, and rest all the things should be there on the left hand side. Right hand side it should be 0, and all other terms x, y and constant, it should be there on the left hand side. Okay. So this is one type of question can come in your MCQ type of question. So today students, we have seen that